Hi, have you ever had that feeling that you're longing to talk to somebody that you used to be close to, or you're still kind of close with them, but the relationship just kind of feel like a little bit distant? My schoolmate and I have embarked on a journey of getting closer in a relationship that we've had with someone, and we're going on a 1 week challenge of that. Nobody watch my great ear them. My owl is an owl man. But yes, we are going on a journey to get closer to God and keeping each other accountable for 1 week, and I want you to join us. So tomorrow we're going to be starting, so you're going to be a little bit behind us, but take the journey. I'm going to upload one of these videos every day just to keep you accountable. And if you are joining, comment down below that you're coming on this challenge and this journey with us. So tomorrow we're starting, and we're going to be praying, fasting, and reading our word. For her, it is a food fast, but I will be doing a fast from socials because social media gonna like run my life, and we cannot have that. So that is why you're going to be getting these videos behind, because I'm gonna take a look at hiatus. So whatever it is in your life that is taking up time that you should be spending with that significant person, God, take a little break from it. Take a little break from it and focus on him. Now, prayer is not just I go down on my knees and I clasp my hands and close my eyes and find a little corner and talk to God. Prayer is a conversation between you and God. That conversation can be just, God, I feel like I can't take this no more, and I need you to intervene. God, you see what happened? I need you to intervene. God, today is a challenging day and I need you to intervene. You know what I said to my schoolmate, that whatever happens throughout the day, whatever comes up while you're doing what you're doing, that person that you would think, let me take up my phone and call such and such and tell them about this, call God. Now take up my phone, now run grown back, but tell nobody. Talk to God and say, God, you know, see, every te. So that is the journey we're going on for this challenge, and I hope you join us. Comment down below in all the videos that I will be posting so that we know that you are doing this with us. If you don't want to out and open, you can send a DM as well. Anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next one.